Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are all doing well. Welcome and thank you for watching me. His Majesty Sultan Hatim bin Tariq and Sheikh Mishal Al Ahmad Al Jabbar Al Sabah, Amir of the State of Kuwait, held today a fraternal meeting at His Majesty residency in Bayan Palace in the capital city Kuwait. During the meeting, the two leaders continued discussing discussions aspects of the cooperation between the two countries to survive the fraternal relationships between the Omani and Kuwaiti peoples and meet their aspiration toward further prosperity, progress and welfare. तो जनाब कोयत के अमीर सुल्तान हातिम बिन तारिक और ओमान के अमीर और कोयत के अमीर शेख मशल अल अहमद अल जाबर अल सबाह ने आज दारुल हुकूमत कोयत के बयान पैलेस में उनकी रहायशगाह पर बरादराना मुलाकात की।